Eric Ray, then we also have Lauren Hoffman. Is Your Majesty also coming, Jasper?
Well, we have a plan. His potential to go, no, but we have an upcoming competition, so it depends on prior, no. So, but we have a plan na he's going po.
Will he confirm na rin?
We'll check this po, no.
Okay. So, I think this is also a, as you said, a ranking qualifying tournament sanctioned by by World Athletics. So, ano bang breakdown points dito, Jasper? Just for the benefit of our listeners and our viewers.
I think Coach Joe can further explain
It's a
this.
ranking event ito eh.
Apo.
Ranking qualifying event. So ano pa? So for first, second, and third, ano yung mga points that they're going to be earning?
Yeah, there's a corresponding meron tinatawag na the performance score. Whatever the performance, the equivalent score is a table.
Hindi. Kaya 10 points ba? 100 points?
It's a table of scores plus yung placement score. Yung placement score, nasa tabulated din yan. So, category D siya, there's a corresponding points doon. So, madami po yun eh. So, I cannot really anyway, nasa table naman po sir yun.
Kasi, based on the current World Athletics, and Jasper was kind enough to correct me the other day, na nasa top 20 na si Eric Ray. Top 40 na si Eric Ray. Nasa top 40 na rin si Lauren Hoffman. Although they still have to make the qualifying times. Pero basically yung entry standard nila, nandun na sila sa top 40. Hindi pa nila na-meet yung entry standard. So, shooting, and again, if my explanation with Sir Jasper is correct, na fluctuating itong mga ratings ito, it will all depend on their latest performance. If they make the entry standard good, if they make one or first place, etc., etc. Pero shifting naman, last best, shifting naman to our local athletes. Kasi yung local athletes naman natin, madami tayong magagaling dyan ngayon eh. Who can we expect to be, for example, we cover the PNG, si Sir John Riba Ubas, our long jumper, and our high jumper, yung nag-break ng record, Ishan Guevara, will also be there.
Yes po, no? Si Johnny Ubas and Leonard Grospe is actually leaving today, no? Going to Singapore Championships. No? Si Johnny, we have already planned like a schedule for him. For your reference, he'll be in Japan also, and some international competitions. No? So there are a lot of confirmed na competitions with Johnny. But if everything goes well, we wanted to support Johnny talaga, no? Since ito yung local pride natin din. No? And we were coordinating with this Coach Dario De Rosas, yung mga plans, competitions, para at least maging quality din po, no? For Johnny. But expect he'll have more competitions this May to June po.
Yung po bang, sila po ba ay si Leonard Grospe and John will be competing in a national open?
Yes po, they will po.
Alright, maraming salamat.
Sir Jasper, merong isang atleta na by the name of Victoria Bosong. I think it's a Phil-American na nag-aspire na makasama sa national team. Ano yung chances niya na can she make it if she participates dito sa national open?
Well, to be honest po, she's already in our list. But the thing is, in process po yung Philippine passport niya po, no? And we expect also her to come here. Nag-usap na rin po kami ng coach niya din po, no? Or agent niya po, no? Na maglalaro po si Victoria dito po sa Philippine National Championship.
What about Natalie Uy?
Natalie po, no, quit na po last year. Retired na po last year.
Clarify ko lang, sir, no? There are Phil heritage coming from Japan, Guam, and US?
Yes po.
How many po, sir?
The numbers, I don't have the data yet, but the exact data, no. But we have estimate of more than 60 already.
Sir, si EJ already qualified na, no? But meron na tayong representation sa male. But sa babae, wala pa. And hopefully, merong mag-qualify directly, no? Pero but in case na wala, sino yung napipil ng patapa na i-partner kay EJ as part of yung gender equality?
Okay po, no? We will announce it in the right time. But we wanted po kasi na ma-hit din nila yung standard, or if not, no, based on the rankings. So, ang goal po natin, mas marami po mag-qualify in the Olympics, no? But in case the worst comes to worst, we will announce it the universality spot for women po.
Sir Lee, last National Open, ang daming na-break na records no, na mostly homegrown. No? Tapos may mga tinalo tayong mga dayuhan na participate nun sa Ilagan, pero tinalo din ang mga bata natin. This time ba, nakikita mo ba na mangyayari ulit na itong mga bata natin, yung mga homegrown, madadali ulit itong mga bibisita sa atin na mga Malaysian or Southeast Asian?
Thank you very much. I think that's what we all expect. No? We expect records to be broken, especially by the local athletes. Yeah, we expect that. Hopefully.